Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6 inches HD High Performance Laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. For $250 this is a powerful and fast machine. Does all the basics like email, web searching, Facebook, Excel. I really got it to play online games that require more intense graphics and gameplay. I am very happy with its value. I bought one with only 4 GB RAM from a local retail store for $200 but it was super slow. This Lenovo also starts right up after a reboot. Well worth the money. I must say it is as good or better than the Dell. I am happy so far with the laptop. It even has a DVD player which most are dropping. I don't watch DVDs but do use the player to record data to DVDs like photos and other data. I don't game online so can say it is good for that, probably not first pick for that, but as a general use for people like me who mostly read emails and news online it is perfect. Great cheap laptop. It was sent to me with Windows 10s, but with a quick Google search you can change it to regular Windows 10 by going into your settings. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.